Welcome. In this video, I'll show you how to fix Facebook if it's not working. If you find this video helpful, please leave a like and subscribe to the channel for more such tutorials. All right. It could be that Facebook right here will not make you log in. Okay. Or it's just straight up lagging or some other reasons. So the first option to fix that is just basically close all your apps, including Facebook, of course. Now, once that's done, wait for it a bit and try to reopen it and check if it helps. Now, if that still will work, okay, you're going to want to check your internet if it's working properly, as some posts may not load because you're not connected to the internet. Okay, for example, if you're using Wi-Fi right now, maybe try using your mobile data or hotspot, okay, or try connecting to a different Wi-Fi. Now, if that still will work, then go ahead and restart your phone. Just hold the power button and just restart it. Wait for it to load, and once it loads, open up your Facebook app. Now, if that still won't work, so just go ahead and find the app icon if you're using Android, tap and hold, and tap on the information icon. Okay, that says App Info. Tap on it. And if you're using iOS, just go ahead over to Settings, General, then iPhone Storage. Now find Facebook, okay? Tap on Facebook and just tap on Offload App. Okay? Now for Android, in here, just tap on Storage. Now tap on Clear Cache first. And once that's done, tap on Clear Data. Okay? So once everything is done, reopen Facebook and it will ask you to log in. Okay? So just log back in, and after that, you should be good to go. Okay? If all else fail, tap and hold onto Facebook, uninstall or delete on iOS. Now go back to your Play Store or App Store. Find Facebook and just reinstall it. Okay? And after that, everything should work perfectly fine now. That is it. I hope this video helps, and I'll see you in the next one.